In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language settings in Claude AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect, so your workspace looks and feels right in your preferred language. First, open your web browser and head to Claude at claud.ai. You can start from the new chat page or any page within the app. The setting we need is available from the main interface, so there's no need to dig around or leave your session. Next, look to the bottom left corner of the sidebar. You'll see your profile icon there. This might appear as a small avatar or your initials. Click that icon to open your account menu. This is where Claude keeps personal and app level preferences, and it's the quickest way to adjust how the interface appears without affecting your existing chats. In the menu that opens, find and click the language option. This takes you straight to the language preference area where you control how Claude's interface is displayed. You're not changing how the model thinks, you're only choosing the language used for on-screen elements. Now open the dropdown and select your desired language. You'll see a list of available options. Pick the one you're most comfortable with. There's no need to save or confirm on a separate page. Once you make your selection, Claude remembers it for your account on this device. As soon as you choose a language, the interface updates immediately. Buttons, labels, navigation items, and menus will switch to the language you selected right away. Your existing chats and documents stay exactly as they are, and you can still write prompts and receive replies in any language you prefer. If you want Claude's answers in a specific language, just ask for it in your prompt. The interface setting won't limit the languages you can use in conversation. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. If you don't see the sidebar or the profile icon, try expanding your window or opening the main menu on smaller screens. If the change doesn't appear instantly, a quick refresh usually does the trick. You can switch languages at any time, and the setting is ideal if you work in multilingual teams or share a device that needs a specific display language. If your preferred language isn't listed, check back periodically. New options are added over time. And that's it. You've changed the language in Claude AI in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching and enjoy a more comfortable localized experience.